everyone, we are from Treasure Tour, the agency that will take you to interesting places rarely known by other people. My name is Luata Shoherunisa, the narrator of this virtual tour, and today we are going to visit Kampung Wisata Bisnis Tegalwaru, a place of 1,000 small businesses.
Located on Pulekan Street, Ciampea Subdistrict, Bogor Regency, West Java, Kampung Wisata Bisnis Tegalwaru was founded by Tatik Kancaniati in 2010 as a forum for unifying various community business units throughout Tegalwaru Village. Tegalwaru Village consists of 6 RWs and 38 RTs, and each RW has a community business specification. We referred Kampung Wisata Bisnis Tegalwaru as a place of 1,000 small businesses because it has about 18 types of home industry. Some of them are bakes, herbs, kerupuk, blacksmith, catfish breeding, consumption fish multivation, or goldfish, tilapia fish, Nile tilapia, and carps, animal farms, brownies, confection, risol, wayang golek, gendang, cuwe or breeding fish, leather bags, and clothing, bilik, ketupat. It is impossible for us to visit all the businesses unit in Tegalwaru. Due to the time constraints, the Treasure Tour will take you to 3 places. We will start off from Golek Waris, the manufacturer of wayang golek. Next, we will go to the herbal farms called Sari Sehat Multi Farms. The last place that we are going to visit is Rumah Joglo Inn. But before we start our adventure, I would like to give you some reminders. First is, due to the pandemic, please always wear your mask during the tour. Second, littering is prohibited in the destination that we are going to. Third, stay in your group and secure your belongings. And the last one is, enjoy your tour. There is our tour guide, Sally Sintadewi, in Golek Waris. She will give you information about Golek Waris and show you how to make wayang golek.
Now we are at the place manufacture of wayang golek. In here, visitors can try to make wayang golek taught directly by the craftsman. Let's see the process.
Golek Waris is run by Pak Arisna Jaya, or we can call him Pak Aris. He has been in the business of making wayang golek for decades. Although Golek Waris is a home industry, the products have been sold overseas, for example, to Korea, Singapore, and Saudi Arabia. The price of wayang golek depends on the level of difficulty of the making process, ranging from 600,000 rupiah to millions of rupiah per piece. Wayang golek is one of the traditional Sundanese art from West Java, Indonesia. Wayang means puppet and golek means road. Therefore, wayang golek means road puppets made of light softwood. The head of the puppet is the most important and the most difficult part to carve, because it has a complicated pattern. At Kampung Wisata Bisnis Tegalwaru, we can try to make wayang golek taught by Pak Aris. Visitors can even open their own businesses from the knowledge they get from there. Wayang golek performances usually take place on special events such as weddings, religious ceremonies, and cultural days. It will be directed and organized by the Dalang. Golek Waris is a symbol in maintaining Indonesian art and culture. This business is expected to be able to preserve the cultural heritage of our ancestors by continuing to produce and sell it worldwide.
Let's continue to our second destination, Sari Sehat Multi Farms. There is Serin Julia on the spot, and she will be guiding you to the herbal farms.
Welcome to the Sari Sehat Multi Farm, a very beautiful place with green herbal trees as far as the eyes can see. This herbal garden provides 100 types of herbal plants managed by Ibu Sutia's family and has been established for decades. In this garden, Ibu Sutia not only produces herbal medicines, but also sometimes holds workshops and seminars that are open to various institutions to preserve herbal medicine as traditional culture. Visitors are allowed to walk around accompanied by Ibu Sutia. She will also give them explanations about the types and benefits of herbal plants. The garden is divided into two parts. There are an outdoor garden and a semi-indoor garden. The herbal plants will then be sorted, processed into various types of herbal medicines such as syrup, dried plants, and some can also be used as external medicine.
Wow, amazing! Thank you for the information, Sherin. Seeing the herbal plants reminds me of my hometown. I have seen a lot of them since I was a kid. My parents used to give me traditional medicine when I was sick, and it worked. Okay, the last destination is Rumah Joglo Inn. We have Asri Milean as our tour guide on there.
Kampung Wisata Rumah Joglo is an inn that takes the theme of a Javanese traditional house from Central Java. The characteristics of the building are the same as traditional Joglo houses in general, like using wood as the material, having a fairly wide terrace, and also a roof shelf like a mountain. There are several lodging options available at the Rumah Joglo. First is Joglo Dimasan with a capacity of 2 people with one building that has several rooms. The second is a mini joglo with a capacity of 2 people with separate buildings for each room. And the last is a large joglo with a capacity of 20 people with one big house building. The facilities in each room are complete enough to comfort the visitors. In addition to providing accommodation, Rumah Joglo introduces one of the traditional houses in Indonesia as well. By staying at Rumah Joglo at Kampung Wisata Bisnis Tegalwaru, you don't have to go all the way to Central Java to see the original house.
This village offers many business training programs called Business Tour Packages. There are Deso Creative Pack 1, Deso Creative Pack 2, Outbound Package, Socialpreneur or Capacity Building Training Package, and Stay Package. For more information, you can contact them at this box below. So, this is the end of our virtual tour. I hope Kampung Wisata Bisnis Tegalwaru will be on your travel wishlist this year or next year's. Hopefully, we can meet again in person and visit another interesting place together. If you love this video, please give us your like and write a comment. Stay healthy and stay safe. Bye! Thank you for watching.